Today I'm going to explain how emotional freedom techniques, or EFT, often called tapping, influences the body's stress response. EFT combines gentle tapping on specific points on the face and upper body with focused attention on upsetting memory, feeling, or belief. The basic idea is that the sequence of tapping plus focused attention changes how the brain and nervous system process stress. Here's what happens in the body when you use EFT. Number 1, sensory input and attention. Tapping provides consistent, predictable sensory stimulation while you bring a stressor into awareness. This focused attention plus tactile input helps interrupt repetitive negative thoughts and down-regulate the alarm signals triggered by the memory or emotion. The amygdala and threat processing. This is a key brain region that detects threats and activates the flight and fight response. EFT appears to reduce the reactive threat circuits, making the memory feel less threatening, and also lowers the emotional charge. Number 3, we're looking at the HPA axis and cortisol. Chronic stress activates the hypothalamic, which is the gland that raises the cortisol. Research shows that EFT sessions associated with this reduces the cortisol and other stress markers. It helps with dampening the biochemical stress response. There's also the autonomic nervous system balance. The tapping helps shift the balance from the dominance of flight and fight towards the relaxed rest and digest. Practically, this can mean a slower heart rate, calmer breathing, and a sense of relaxation. What we're also looking into is the memory reconsolidation. So the shifts that happen while activating memory reduces a safer place for the memory to come up, awaken, and weaken its emotional response attached to any thoughts or beliefs and forms. And then we look at the emotional regulation and resilience. Repeated EFT practice helps people become better at noticing stress early and almost giving back their control in themselves to help themselves develop emotional flexibility over time. In short, EFT appears to work by combining the attention of stimulating what is a threat, reducing those hormones like cortisol, and rebalancing the nervous system to feel safe and feel like there is a consolidation. The result brings out emotional regulation. If you like, we're more than happy to provide you some guided EFT scripts that you can use to demonstrate these powerful effects.